sales manager. I will be your guide today. And today, in this video, we're exploring the production of natural driftwood, bonsai driftwood, and other pet products made from coffee wood. With over 11 years experience, Binh Aquarium is proud to be one of the leading manufacturers in Vietnam, specializing in producing and exporting natural driftwood, bonsai driftwood, and other pet products made from coffee wood. We have contributed to the success of more than 150 businesses around the world. To meet the demand for bulk orders, we have invested in 2 production facilities covering over 1,000 square meters with more than 50 skilled artisans. Now join me on the tour of the factory. First and foremost, we take pride in our competitive prices. As a direct manufacturer in Vietnam, we benefit from abundant and diverse sources of driftwood. We even have some of the most sought after driftwood species that are exclusive to Vietnam, such as Doi wood, sandalwood, samwood, Thanh wood, satin wood, donor wood, and so on. Notably, our driftwood is exceptionally light due to a meticulous drying process. Now let's explore our bonsai driftwood. We are supplying more than 140 different designs of bonsai driftwood for aquatic aquarium, ranging in sizes from small to large. Our artisans have not only crafted them with skillful hands, but also with great passion and heart. The quality of our products is paramount to us. Each driftwood undergoes rigorous treatment and meets export standard, ensuring that they are safe for the water environment, shrimp, fish, plants, and so on. Our driftwoods do not alter the water color and maintains the natural stuff of the water environment. They are non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and have a long lifespan if it was submerged. Besides natural driftwood and bonsai driftwood, we also offer a variety of other pet products made of coffee wood. On the woods we use for the production are high quality and sustainably harvested. With the advantage of the factory located in the key wood production area in Vietnam, we are provided with an abundant and diverse source of driftwood in the region. Being a direct manufacturer and exporter without any intermediate allows us to be always extremely competitive in price despite the very high quality. Packing and loading the products into a container is also extremely important. With many years' experience, we know how to pack and load the goods in the best way to ensure product quality as well as optimize the loading space. To ensure the product quality, we apply stringent quality control throughout the production process, guaranteeing consistency and customer satisfaction. We always believe that quality creates trust, so on the products and services we bring to you will be the best. During collaboration, we're willing to send you free samples so you can check the quality of the shipment you're going to import. Not only that, our sales team with good international trade techniques will be able to handle all the documents at the export end, which is not all producers can do. As a smart business person, you understand the potential of driftwood products in the market. So, don't miss the opportunity to collaborate with us. Contact immediately before the information below for an instant code and to discover the amazing driftwood products we have to offer. Thank you all for joining us today on the tour of the Aquarium factory. If you need further information or wish to collaborate, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're always ready to accompany you on your journey to business success. Have a wonderful and successful day. Thank you.